Thank you, Madam Phoebe. Actually, the statistics from I think Ghana Demographic and Health Survey says that hypertension is the leading cause of death in Ghana and even the world at large. And did you know that salt intake in your diet might be silently increasing your chances of developing hypertension? Hypertension, commonly known as high blood pressure, affects millions globally and is a primary contributor to cardiovascular diseases. Salt is a chemical compound made of sodium and chlorine in its chloride form, and this is the major form in which we consume it in our diet. However, it is the sodium we need to worry about. Sodium actually makes your body hold on to water. If you eat too much, the extra water in your blood means there is extra pressure on your blood vessel walls. The retention of this extra water makes it harder for your heart to pump blood, increasing your blood pressure and putting a strain on your heart and kidneys. And according to several reviews, there is a well-established link between the consumption of too much sodium and increased risk of hypertension, which in turn is a risk factor for heart diseases like heart attack, heart failure, stroke, kidney disease, and some types of dementia. Hence, cutting down on salt is one of the simplest ways to lower your blood pressure and will start to make a difference very quickly, even within weeks. By being mindful of our salt intake and making informed dietary choices, we can take proactive steps towards maintaining optimal blood pressure and promoting long-term heart health. Thank you very much.